What if I told you that you could own the official blueprints to build a home that generates its own electricity, collects its own water from the sky, grows its own food, and costs you almost nothing to run every single month, and you could get those blueprints for a fraction of what most people think they cost? Not pirated, not some knockoff PDF somebody uploaded to a forum. The real, stamped, permit-ready construction drawings from the people who invented Earthship Biotecture themselves. People are out here paying consultants thousands of dollars just to figure out where to start, when the answer is hiding in plain sight on a website most people scroll past. Today, I am going to walk you through every single legitimate way to get your hands on official Earthship blueprints in 2026 without draining your bank account. And I mean every way: the cheapest entry point, the smartest path, the hidden value most people miss, and the costly mistakes you need to avoid. Before we dive in, if you are serious about sustainable off-grid living, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on notifications. Every week, I break down real, actionable information about alternative building methods and off-grid life that you are not going to find explained this clearly anywhere else. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you planning to build an Earthship yourself, or are you still just dreaming about it? I read every single comment. Now, let us get into it. What are Earthship blueprints, and why do you need the official ones? Let us be honest about something first. You can find a lot of Earthship-inspired images, sketches, and ideas floating around on Pinterest and YouTube. But if you are serious about actually building one, those pretty pictures are nearly worthless when you walk into a building department and ask for a permit. Official Earthship construction drawings from Earthship Biotecture are the real deal. They are architectural blueprints drawn to scale, formatted to standard 24 by 36 inch sheets, and depending on the package, stamped by a licensed architect. That stamp matters enormously because without it, many building departments will not even look at your application twice. The drawings from Earthship Biotecture are also battle-tested. These designs have been built all over the world in different climates, from the high desert of New Mexico to Europe, Africa, and South America. They include not just the floor plans, but the structural details, the mechanical systems, the off-grid electrical layout, the water harvesting and filtration setup, and the gray water treatment systems. This is a complete picture of how an autonomous home actually works. So, when people ask, can I just download something free online and figure it out? The honest answer is, not if you want to build legally and confidently. You need the official drawings, the Earthship models available in 2026, and what they cost. Earthship Biotecture currently offers several models, and knowing the difference is the first step to getting the right blueprints at the right price. The Refuge model is the most affordable option right now, specifically designed to be built with simpler techniques and more universally available materials. If your budget is tight, or you want the most straightforward build, this is where Earthship Biotecture themselves recommend you start. It is their entry-level model, and it is intentionally designed to reduce construction cost and complexity. The Encounter model is a modified version of the flagship global model at roughly 30% less cost per square foot. It gives you more space and design flexibility than the Refuge, while still being more accessible than a full global build. The global model is the classic flagship Earthship. The construction drawings for the global model include 2 sets of stock off-grid construction drawings, 1 off-grid mechanical set, and 1 detail set, covering sizes from 1,868 to 2,619 square feet. It is the most built Earthship design in the world and the most documented. One important note, the architect stamp from Reynolds is not automatically included. If you need his stamp for permitting, you need to email reception at earthship.com before you order to arrange that separately. Reynolds is a licensed architect in Arizona, Colorado, Nevada, New York, and Puerto Rico, so if you are building in one of those states, his stamp could be the difference between getting your permit and hitting a wall. The sloped glass model gives you more sculpted, dramatic interior spaces where every room is wrapped in thermal mass. It comes with 30 full architectural blueprints showing overview, floor plan, framing plan, and sections. It is more complex to build, but delivers a warmer and more architecturally expressive home in certain climates. The vertical glass model is the most economical and the quickest to build. It ranges from a 600 square foot studio all the way up to a 3-bedroom home. The drawings include 3 architectural blueprints plus a 60-page detail book covering layout, close-up construction details, and structural information. You can choose tire wall or straw bale/concrete block construction options. All of these blueprints are sold directly through the Earthship Biotecture store at earthshipstore.com. Prices vary by model and size, so check the store directly for current pricing because numbers shift. But what matters here is that these are the cheapest way to access the real deal, buying stock construction drawings off the shelf rather than hiring Earthship Biotecture to create custom plans from scratch, which would cost you significantly more. The smartest cheap path, hosting a field study. Here is the hack that most people completely miss, and it is one of the most powerful moves you can make if you are serious about building an Earthship on a tight budget. Earthship Biotecture runs what they call field studies, 3 to 4 week hands-on building programs where you work alongside the actual Earthship Biotecture crew on a real construction site. The kicker? If you host a field study on your own land and your own build, Earthship Biotecture explicitly states on their website that your building cost could be significantly reduced. You are essentially getting a trained, experienced crew to help build your Earthship in exchange for hosting the program. Think about what that means. You bring the land, you have the blueprints, you host the field study, and instead of paying full contractor rates for every nail and tire, you have motivated students paying to learn while doing real work on your home. This is not a workaround or a loophole. This is a legitimate program that Earthship Biotecture promotes as a cost reduction strategy. To make this work, you first get your blueprints, get your land, get your permits sorted, and then reach out to Earthship Biotecture directly to discuss hosting. This is a path that requires planning and communication, but for the person who is truly committed, it can dramatically change the financial equation of building an Earthship. The online academy, more than just education. Another incredibly underrated move in 2026 is enrolling in the Earthship Biotecture online academy before you buy your blueprints. Here is why that is smart. The online academy is Earthship Biotecture's official educational program, 45 hours of recorded classes, 150 pages of textbook content, live Q&A sessions with Michael Reynolds himself, and access to a global community of Earthship builders. It covers thermal and solar heating and cooling, building with natural and repurposed materials, water harvesting and filtration, contains sewage treatment, solar and wind electric systems, and food production. Why does this matter for blueprints? Because when you understand what you are looking at in the drawings, you make better decisions. You know what you can adapt, what you cannot change without compromising the system, and where you can save money by sourcing materials locally versus what you have to buy. People who buy blueprints without understanding the principles behind them often end up paying far more during the build because they do not know how the systems connect. The online academy also counts as level 1 and level 2 of the official Earthship education path. That matters if you ever want to host a field study, connect with certified Earthship builders, or pursue the full graduation path. It is a complete educational resource that pays for itself many times over in build knowledge and potential cost savings. You can find the online academy at earthship-biotc-academy.teachable.com or through the main earthship.com site under the Learn section. The books, the most affordable entry point in 2026. If the blueprints feel like a big commitment right now, or you want to go even cheaper before you spend money on drawings, the Earthship book series by Michael Reynolds is the most affordable starting point that most people overlook. The 3-volume Earthship series, Volume 1, How to Build Your Own, Volume 2, Systems and Components, and Volume 3, Evolution Beyond Economics, covers the fundamental principles, construction methods, and system design behind every Earthship model. You can find these books in the Earthship store and through major book retailers, often for under $30 each. These books are not blueprints, but they show you exactly how everything works, how the systems are integrated, and how to think through a build before you buy official drawings. Many serious Earthship builders start here, absorb everything they can, and then buy the construction drawings with a much clearer picture of what they are getting. Volume 2 in particular is important because it dives deep into the systems, plumbing, electrical, water, that are often the most confusing parts of reading construction drawings for the first time. What to avoid and honest warnings. Now, the honest part, because there are real pitfalls here that can cost you far more than the blueprints themselves. Do not rely on free Earthship-style plans you find on random websites or forums. There are PDFs floating around the internet that were scanned from old Earthship documents or assembled from fragments. Some of them have errors. None of them have architect stamps. None of them are supported by Earthship Biotecture if you run into a permitting problem. Using unofficial plans can cost you thousands of dollars in redesign fees when a building department rejects your application. Be realistic about consultation costs. Earthship Biotecture charges $400 per hour for architectural consultation and $300 for a 30-minute session with Michael Reynolds. These consultations are available and can be valuable, but they add up quickly if you go in unprepared. Do your homework first through the books and the online academy so that when you do consult, you are asking smart questions and getting maximum value per minute. Understand that blueprints are just the beginning. A professionally built Earthship can cost anywhere from $300 to $400 per square foot for a turnkey finish. A DIY build using a global model design can come down to around $150 per square foot or lower if you source reclaimed materials skillfully. Old tires are often free from local auto shops. Earth for ramming comes from your site in bottles, and cans can be gathered for nearly nothing. The blueprint cost is small compared to total build cost. Buy the right blueprints and invest in education so that you build smarter. Also check your local zoning and building regulations before you order anything. Earthship Biotecture themselves are transparent about this. They cannot guarantee your plans will qualify for a building permit in every jurisdiction. Some building departments require changes or additions to submitted plans. Knowing your local regulations before you spend money on drawings saves you from surprises. The step-by-step action plan for 2026. Let us put this all together into a clear path you can actually follow starting today. Step 1. Get the books. Read volumes 1, 2, and 3 of the Earthship series. Understand the principles before you look at a single blueprint. Step 2. Enroll in the Earthship Biotecture Online Academy. Go deep. Take the classes. Do the Q&A with Michael Reynolds. This is where your real education begins. Step 3. Decide your model. Based on your budget, land, climate, and lifestyle needs, choose between the Refuge, Encounter, Global, Slope Glass, or Vertical Glass model. Step 4. Purchase your official construction drawings at earthshipstore.com. Check current pricing directly on the site. If you need an architect stamp, contact reception at earthship.com before you order. Step 5. Research your local building department. Understand what they need before you submit anything. Some jurisdictions are very open to alternative building methods in 2026. Others are still catching up. Step 6. If you want to cut build costs dramatically, explore hosting a field study on your land. Contact Earthship Biotecture directly to have that conversation. Step 7. Source your reclaimed materials. Start collecting tires, bottles, and cans before you even break ground. That free material is money in your pocket. Here is the truth about Earthship blueprints in 2026. The information is more accessible than it has ever been, and the official path is clearer than most people realize. You do not need to overpay. You do not need a mystery contact or a secret shortcut. You need the right model, the official drawings from Earthship Biotecture, the education to understand what you are holding, and a clear plan for your land and your local regulations. The cheapest mistake you can make is buying cheap, unofficial plans. The smartest investment you can make is getting the real drawings and the real education to use them properly. If this video helped you get clear on your next step, please give it a like because it genuinely helps this content reach more people who are trying to build a better, more sustainable life. Subscribe if you have not already because we cover off-grid building, alternative construction, and sustainable living in a way that is real, honest, and actually useful. And leave a comment telling me, which Earthship model are you most interested in? I want to know. Go to earthship.com and earthshipstore.com to start your journey. The links are in the description below. Now, go build something real.